My name's Breana Mest. I'm a major in heavy equipment operations. I come from Attica High School. I chose Alfred because it had the most options for construction paths. I really liked how it was a smaller place and it was more in an area where I was used to. So in high school I started BOCES doing conservation and heavy equipment. So that's really where I started running heavy equipment, but I grew up on a dairy farm. I've ran stuff my whole life and I thought it would be something I could apply everything I've learned when I was younger to an actual job. The best part of our classes is the fact that we do not have to sit and lecture the whole day. We have such an opportunity to actually go and do things while still having the classroom time and narrowing our curriculum down into the stuff we really need to know and then being able to apply it into the field when we do lab. One of my favorite parts about being here is that when you're done with class, you can still be outside. There's so much room to do anything. There's tons of things around the area that you can do, and just being outside is a really core part of going here to Alfred State. Alfred State has helped me articulate my track to success.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.